Hey there, my name is Noah Peters. I'm a design engineer at Vektek, and we're here at the Vektek booth here at Westec to show off some of our new product. So today what I'm going to talk about is our auto coupler, which launched this year. It's pretty much brand new, and I helped design it and produce it. So if you're asking what the auto coupler is used for, first you need to understand traditionally what the manufacturing industry does for palletized systems. Usually you have a pallet decoupler which goes on your fixture or maybe your tombstone, and it needs to move around so it can't be tied with live hydraulics. So what you'll do is you'll have a handle connected to your pump, and you'll just manually connect and disconnect that to clamp and unclamp your parts so that you can load and unload them. The problem is, if you want to go to a robotic system, this system needs to be automated in order for your robot to just do it all by itself, and you don't need any operators. So that's what brings us to the auto coupler. The auto coupler is basically two of these pallet decouplers in one. If you're using the auto coupler, you can mount it to a robot, but probably the most common application is going to be on a pneumatic slide. So what you're going to do when you're ready to unload your finished parts is you're going to move the auto coupler into place. It's going to lock, and when it locks, it's going to be able to hold the hydraulic forces, the hydraulic separating forces, mechanically, rather than that being held on this slide, which really reduces the amount of forces you have between your fixture and your pedestal or whatever you have it mounted on. So once it's locked, you'll be ready to unclamp your part. Your robot can move in, remove your part, load the new part. Then once you have your part loaded, you can just tell your pump and your valve to clamp your part into place, and it's ready to machine. So when that's ready, it has check valves that'll hold the pressure on the pallet. Usually it'll use an accumulator. And once that's done, you just remove the auto coupler, and then your pallet receiver is free to go wherever you need it to be, if it's a pallet pool or maybe a twin pallet setup. So there's a ton of other features that we have here. Everything is controlled with proc switches, so you should know where your auto coupler is at all time. And it also has air blow off and air pass through features, just in case you need to do some kind of air sensing on your fixture while you're clamping it, to make sure that it's fully clamped and the part isn't misloaded. As always, feel free to reach out to Vektek. We have support engineers and salespeople that'll help you with your application, and they'll give you good feedback on that. You can visit our website or just give us a call. Thank you. We'll see you next time.